Welcome to the world of iStockPhoto. iStockPhoto. It's a name synonymous with stock photography, millions of images, each telling a unique story, a huge library for creatives, offering endless possibilities for their projects. But it's more than just a collection of photos. It's a thriving community. It's a platform for photographers, both new and experienced, to make money from their passion. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there's a place for you here. Ever snapped a photo you were really proud of? One that made you think, this could be something special? Thought it could be something more, something that could reach a wider audience? iStockPhoto gives your photography a global audience. Your work can be seen and appreciated by people all over the world. Businesses, designers, even individuals, they're all looking for the perfect image to complete their vision, and that image could be yours. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing your photo is being used in a major campaign or cherished by someone across the globe. Think of it like this. Every photo you upload is a new opportunity. You're not just uploading photos, you're uploading possibilities. Each image is a chance to inspire, to connect, and to earn. Every photo is a potential sale, a chance to earn. It's a way to turn your creativity into a source of income. It's passive income doing what you love. Imagine earning money while you're out capturing the beauty of the world. So, are you ready to turn your photography hobby into a money-making opportunity? Ready to share your vision with the world? Let's dive into the world of iStockPhoto and see how it works. Together, we'll explore the endless possibilities that await. Your path to earning. Why choose iStockPhoto? Simple. It's a well-established platform with a massive user base. This means more exposure for your work, more chances to sell. iStockPhoto is owned by Getty Images, a leader in the stock photography industry. This partnership brings credibility and trust. Buyers know they're getting high-quality content. The platform is user-friendly, easy navigation, simple uploading process. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, you'll find your way around. And the earning potential, it's real. With each download, you receive royalties. The more your photos get downloaded, the more you earn. It's a simple equation. Ready to begin? Signing up is a breeze. Head to the iStockPhoto website. Click on the Become a Contributor button. You'll create an account using your email address. Easy. Next, verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a photo ID. It's a security measure to protect you and the platform. Now the fun part, uploading your photos. Choose your best high-resolution images. Make sure they're properly lit and in focus. Quality matters. For each photo, you'll need to add keywords. These help buyers find your images. Be specific. Think about what someone might type into the search bar when looking for a photo like yours. Section 4. Picture Perfect, what sells on iStockPhoto. So what kind of photos rake in the big bucks? Trends come and go, but certain types of images remain evergreen. People. Photos of people are always in demand. Think lifestyle, business, healthcare. Diversity is key. Different ages, ethnicities, and backgrounds. Authenticity sells. Forget cheesy stock photos. People want real moments, genuine emotions. Think candid shots, natural lighting. Businesses need visuals. Photos of technology, finance, concepts like teamwork and success. Keep it modern and relatable. Don't forget about the little details. Close-ups, textures, abstract images. These can be used for backgrounds, website design, and more. Section 5. Promoting your portfolio. Get seen, get sales. In this section, we will explore the essential strategies to make your portfolio visible to a wider audience and ultimately drive sales. Uploading great photos is only half the battle. It's crucial to ensure that your work reaches the right audience. You need to actively promote your portfolio. This means leveraging various platforms and tools available to you. Get your work seen by potential buyers. This can be achieved through targeted marketing and consistent engagement. Social media is your friend. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook are powerful tools for reaching a broad audience. Share your iStockPhoto portfolio link on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Regularly update your followers with new content. Engage with other photographers. Join photography groups. Networking within the community can open up new opportunities. Consider creating a website or blog. This serves as a central hub for your work and can attract organic traffic. Showcase your best work, write about your photography journey. Sharing your story can create a deeper connection with your audience. This adds a personal touch and helps you get noticed. Networking is key. Attend events, workshops, and meetups to expand your reach. Connect with businesses, bloggers, anyone who might need stock photos. Building relationships can lead to long-term collaborations. Let them know you're open for business. Always have your business cards ready and follow up with potential clients. iStockPhoto also has its own promotional tools. Utilize these features to enhance your visibility on the platform. Participate in contests, submit your photos to collections. These activities can increase your exposure and credibility. The more active you are, the better. Consistent effort and engagement are key to building a successful photography business. Section 6. The time is now. Your photography journey begins today. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start. There's no better time than now. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity to earn. You don't need to be a professional photographer. If you have a passion for photography, a good eye for composition, and a willingness to learn, you can succeed on iStockPhoto. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay consistent, and keep uploading quality content. The more you put yourself out there, the greater your chances of success. So what are you waiting for? Take that leap of faith. Turn your passion into profit. Start your iStockPhoto journey today. Section 7. Your next steps with iStockPhoto. You've got the knowledge, you understand iStockPhoto. Now let's put that understanding into practice and take your photography journey to the next level. Now, it's time to take action. The first step is to get out there and start shooting. Step 1. Grab your camera. Go out and shoot. Capture the essence of the world around you. Capture the world through your lens. Whether it's the serene landscapes, bustling urban scenes, or the intricate details of nature, let your creativity flow. Experiment with different angles, lighting, and compositions. Have fun and build your portfolio with diverse and captivating images. Step 2. Sign up for iStockPhoto. It's free and easy. Just a few clicks and you're ready to start sharing your work with the world. Start uploading your best images. Choose the ones that truly represent your style and vision. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Confidence is key in showcasing your talent. Step 3. Promote, promote, promote. Use social media, blogs, and other platforms to get your work noticed. Share your work, network with potential buyers, and watch the downloads roll in. Building connections is crucial in this industry. Remember, success on iStockPhoto doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience and persistence. It takes dedication, hard work, and a little bit of luck. Keep refining your skills and expanding your portfolio, but with the right attitude and a passion for photography, you can achieve your goals. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward. So go out there, capture stunning images, and turn your photography dreams into a reality. The world is full of opportunities waiting for you. The world is waiting to see your work. Embrace the journey and let your creativity shine.